So we're going to look at the multiplication algorithm. Algorithm is a shortcut. I know that you've probably have some strategies to solve multiplication problems, but we are going to work on learning the algorithm. It's faster, it's more accurate, and it's what fifth graders need to do by the end of the year so that they're ready for sixth grade. Sixth grade teachers really want us to teach you guys this because they want you to keep up with the math in sixth grade. So we're really going to focus on the algorithm, which is really just a shortcut. It's easier and it's faster, so we're going to use this, and it's going to take some practice, but we can do it. So we're going to start with a 2-digit by 1-digit. We are going to start in the ones place, just like we do with subtraction and addition. So we're going to multiply 5 times 3. We're going to start in the ones, and it's going to get multiplied by the ones place in the ones place. So 5 times 3 is 15. The 5 is in the ones place, so that's going to stay in the ones place, but we're going to put it in the product. We're going to carry the 1, or regroup the 1, or the 10. Then we're going to do 5 times 4 plus 1. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Now you will notice that it's going to get a bigger number. We're going to actually have 215, and that's because it's actually 5 times 40 plus 1. So if I were to actually do 5 times 40, that would equal 20, or 200, and then I would add that 10 that I regrouped. That's 210, and then I have that 5 from the 15, which gives us 215. This is the partial product way. We are not going to do it this way. Okay, we are going to use the algorithm so that we can practice and get good at it. All right, 3-digit by 1-digit. So again, we're going to start in the ones place. We're going to multiply 6 times 9. If you know the nines trick, you're going to look at your hand. You're going to look at your hand. You're going to put the 6th finger down. So this is 5. Put the 6th finger down. I have 5 fingers. Oh, I need to do it the other way for you guys. I have 5 fingers on this side, 4 fingers on this side, so it's 54. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it here. So if I hold it up to you, I'm going to put this finger down. No, put this finger down. Can you guys see it? If you look at it, you're going to put this finger down. And that equals 54, so I put the 4 in the ones and I carry the 5. Then I do 6 times 4 is 24, plus 5 is 29. I put the 9 on the bottom, I carry the 2. Then I'm going to do 6 times 7, which equals 42, plus 2 equals 44. And I'm going to write that in the product because I have no more numbers in my top number, so I can't regroup it. So I'm going to put it on the bottom. Okay, now we have a 4-digit by 1-digit. Again, I'm going to start in the ones place. 4 times 6 is 24. Put the 4 on the bottom, carry the 2. Then I do 4 times 5, which equals 20, plus 2 is 22. So I put one of the 2's on the bottom, regroup or carry the 2. 4 times 2 equals 8, plus 2 equals 30. Or no, I'm sorry, equals 10. 4 times 8 equals 32, plus 1 equals 33. Now that 4 and the bottom has to get multiplied by every digit. And because I don't have any numbers on the top number, I'm going to put the answer in the product, in the answer. All right, now let's look at a 2-digit by 2-digit. Don't worry, we're going to walk it through. We're going to just walk you through. Okay, so 2-digit by 2-digit. We're going to start in the ones place. That 4 is going to get multiplied by the 2 first. That equals 8, so we put that in the product, the answer. Then we do 4 times 8 equals 32. Again, I don't have any other numbers, so I'm going to write it in the answer. So I'm going to write 32 in the answer. Now I'm done working in the ones place, but I still have a number in the tens place. So I'm going to actually put a 0, it's called a placeholder, in the ones place so that I don't put any numbers there. Then I'm going to go to the bottom number in the tens place, and I'm going to start there. So I'm going to multiply 6 times 2 equals 12. So I'm going to write the 2 in the product, carry the 1. Then I'm going to do 6 times 8, that equals 48, plus 1 is 49. Again, I don't have any other numbers, so I'm going to put it in the product. Now I'm going to have to add those two together. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 9 plus 3 is 12, put the 2, carry the 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Now if I wanted to do a quick check, I could round these to see if my answer is reasonable. So I would round 80 to, yep, so we're going to do a check just to see if we're close. So we're going to round 80 to 82 to 80. We're going to round 64 to 60 and see if our answer is close. So 8 times 6, we're going to remember drop the zeros. 8 times 6 is 48, put the 2 zeros on. That's pretty close to 5,248. So it's reasonable. It's not like my answer was 524 and I got 4,000. So it's reasonable. All right, going on to one more. So again, we're going to start in the ones place. The 6 is going to get multiplied by the 5. That equals 30. Carry the 3. Now I'm going to do 6 times 6 equals 36, plus 3 is 39. Now I'm going to cross off that 3 because I already used it. And if that's a habit that you want to get used to, that's fine. But if I have a 2-digit by 2-digit, I might have another number, and I want to make sure that I cross it off. So I'm going to use a 0 in the placeholder. Then I'm going to do 4 times 5 equals 20. Put the 0, carry the 2. So see, I need to make sure that I know which number to add. So now I'm going to do 4 times 6 equals 24, plus 2 equals 26. I have no numbers to regroup, so I put it in my answer. I'm going to add these. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 0 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 2 plus 0 is 2. Again, I'm going to round real quick. So I'm going to change my 65 to 70. I'm going to round up. I'm going to round up my 46 to 50. 7 times 5 is 35. Put the 2 zeros back on. So that's about 30,500, which is close to my answer. Then I'm going to do 60 times 4 if I wanted to round down. 6 times 4 is 24. Put the 2 zeros back on. And it's pretty close. So now you know how to do the algorithm. You can always watch this, stop it, and just do the problem as I do the problem. Have fun.